Hello students, today we will learn electric dipole. Two equal and opposite point charges separated by a finite distance constitute an electric dipole. Let a point charge plus q and a point charge minus q is separated by a finite distance a. Then this system is called an electric dipole, which has a dipole moment directed from negative charge towards positive charge. The magnitude of this electric dipole moment is the product of the charge and the distance between them, represented as a small p is equal to aq. Let P is any point on the axis of an electric dipole. Let distance of point P from the center O of the electric dipole is x. Then the magnitude of electric field intensity at point P on the axis of this electric dipole is given by electric field intensity at P, EP equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon a square plus x square raised to the power 3 by 2. For a short electric dipole, the value of A is much less than value of x. So the above expression for electric field intensity at point P reduces to EP equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon x cube for a short dipole. Similarly, let us consider a point Q on the perpendicular bisector of the electric dipole at a distance x from the center O. Then the electric field intensity at point Q is given by electric field intensity at Q, EQ equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon a square plus x square raised to the power 3 by 2. For a short dipole, the separation between the charges A is much less than the distance of the point Q from the center O. So for a short dipole, the expression for electric field intensity at point Q reduces to EQ equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon x cube. The direction of electric field intensity at a point P on the axis of dipole is in the direction of dipole moment P, that is from negative towards positive, whereas the direction of electric field intensity at point Q on the equatorial axis of electric dipole is opposite to the dipole moment P, that is from positive towards negative. Thus the two electric field intensities are in the opposite direction, and also we can observe that the electric field intensity at a point on the axis of an electric dipole is double to that of the electric field intensity at a point on the perpendicular bisector of the dipole, which is at the same distance from the center O of the electric dipole. An example on electric dipole. This is question number 28 asked in UPSEE examination 2019. The dipole moment of a dipole formed by a proton and electron at a distance of 1 nanometer is. In this question, we are given a proton and an electron of equal and opposite charges. Hence the system constitute an electric dipole. The distance between electron and proton is 1 nanometer. We have to determine the dipole moment associated with this electric dipole. So electric dipole moment, which is a vector directed from negative to positive charge, is the product of one of the charge and finite distance between them. So charge of electron or proton is 1.6 into 10 minus 19 coulombs. In the question, the finite distance between electron and proton is 1 nanometer, which is 1 into 10 minus 9 meters. So substituting the value of E and A in above equation, we get dipole moment P as 1.6 into 10 minus 19 into 1 into 10 minus 9, which is 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 28 coulomb per meter. This is question 46 asked in UPSEE examination 2017. Consider a small electric dipole with magnitude of dipole moment P, which is placed far away from point A as shown. The electric potential at the point A is. So in this question we are provided a short electric dipole of dipole moment P. We have to determine the electric potential at point A, which is on the axis of the short dipole at a distance r from the center O of electric dipole. So electric potential at an axial point of an electric dipole of width A, which is at a distance r from the center of the dipole, is given by V axial equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon r square minus A square. Now for a short electric dipole, the magnitude of r is much greater than the magnitude of A. Hence the length of electric dipole A can be neglected in this formula. So for a short electric dipole, the electric potential at an axial point A, which is at a distance r from the center of the dipole, becomes VA is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon r square. So we can put 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught as a constant K. So electric potential at an axial point A becomes VA equal to Kp upon r square. So hence an electric potential at an axial point of an electric dipole is inversely proportional to the square of the axial point from the center of electric dipole.